I made this video to show you how to promote any affiliate offer to make money online in 2021. In a moment, I'm also going to show you how you can learn to promote your offer on YouTube for free. And don't worry, I'm not going to try and sell you $1,000 course. So watch to the end. If you like this video, subscribe and turn on a bell so that you can be informed of any new videos that I will post. It doesn't matter what product you are promoting. You need people to come over to your offer and make a purchase so that you as an affiliate can earn a commission. Now this is where traffic plays a very important role in your business. There are two main types of categories that you can use, which is paid traffic and free traffic. Some examples where to promote to get free traffic is by blogging, YouTube channels, Facebook groups, Quora and Instagram pages. The best one, of course, as all gurus will tell you, is email marketing. The second method is paid traffic or paid advertising. Some examples include influencer shoutouts, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, and so on. With paid traffic, you need a large budget, and it is no guarantee at all that you will make your money back online. The thing is, if you do not know what you are doing, you can lose a lot of money. The best way to get started with affiliate marketing is to go for free traffic. When you are experienced, you can do paid traffic, but either get a mentor or do some courses to learn how to do it. In this video, I am mainly going to focus on free or organic traffic, where you do not have to pay any money to promote your affiliate products. Some of the advantages of free traffic is no investment is needed. Secondly, you can build a long-term asset if, for example, you are doing blogging, have a YouTube channel, or you have a Facebook group. You are accumulating followers or subscribers. Good thing about this is that your subscribers are going to be there for months and years to come. So think about this. When you do paid ads, once you stop spending the dollars and stop the advertisements, your contacts are gone if you did not manage to get their email addresses. With free traffic, it is a lot easier to get the email address because you have to build trust first with your prospect. When you put in the initial effort to build your tribe or your audience, followers or subscribers list, they will be there for a long time. With a list like this, you can always run different promotions to your subscribers. Now this is gold. I know that a lot of you that are watching this video is going to freak out about building a followers list with thousands of subscribers, but in the description area of this video, I have a link to a free course that will teach you exactly how to do this. You do not have to have any technical skills or have any prior experience. The courses teach a very special method on how to rank your products on the first page of Google and YouTube, sometimes within 24 hours. The next benefit of free traffic thus is that you are going to build a tribe and build your personal branding. By doing this step by step, you also will get a lot of confidence. It is for the beginner especially very important to start with free traffic. Build your confidence and strategy, notice what is working and what is not, and then improve from there. Finally, things are going to get much easier when you focus on one thing, such as free traffic. It just becomes less complicated and you will get results faster and easier compared to other people. Again, the link to a free course is in the description of this video. No credit card required. Thank you for watching, and just before you go and grab your course, please like this video, click on the bell to turn on notifications, and subscribe so that you will receive a notification when I post a new video like this one. So what are you waiting for? Go grab the course.